rep the gang, 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 gang. Always rep the gang.
What's good, my pawns? It's your boy King CeeLo. If you're new, you know what to do. Smack that subscribe button for our brother. Now, today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to lace your Jordan 11s. Any Jordan model works for this video, but in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the hot top Jordan 11s and how to lace those. Now, I usually don't do videos like this, but I figure there's people joining the Jordan brand every day, and people who want to know how to lace their Jordan 11s. I was gonna say 4s, but it's people want to know how to lace their Jordan 11s every day. Some of you guys may look at other people who wear Jordan 11s and figure out how they wear their shoes like that, or how they lace them like that. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my 3 best ways on how to lace your Jordan 11s, and show you guys the 3 best ways on how to rock the Jordan 11s. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Without further ado, let's get on to this video. Alright guys, like I said, there's different ways I wear my... Shut up! Alright, like I said, bro, shut the up. Alright, like I said, there's 3 different ways I wear my Jordan 11s. This is the style I'm going to be showing you guys on how to lace your Jordan 11s. These 2 styles right here, an additional style as well. Yeah, without further ado, for real, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and get on to the steps on how to lace your Jordan 11s. Start off, you guys want to unlace your Jordan 11s all the way to this point right here. Make sure you guys lace this is always even throughout the video, because they're uneven. The shoe might look a little funny or whatever. Just make sure you guys shoes are always laced right here. This goes for any shoe, not just Jordan 11s. When you're lacing your shoes, you don't never want to lace them all. At least I don't want to lace them all. But yeah, start off, you guys just want to lace your shoes like you would do any other shoe. The thing is, you guys don't want to lace your shoes up too tight. I usually don't tie my shoes up tight. I usually just leave a good amount of space, like right there or whatever, for my shoes, just so they won't be looking super tight. Basically like this, you guys want to have shoelace gaps between each part every time you lace your shoe. And like I said, make sure you guys laces are always even. Usually this step don't take nothing but at least 2 minutes each lace or whatever, because you got to make sure the lace is loose in between each time you go through or whatever, you know what I mean? Pretty much just getting the feel of the shoe. I can tell you guys what you're comfortable with or whatever, so you pretty much got to do this part for yourself and like figure out what's comfortable for you. Once you guys lace all the way up, your shoes should look like this or something like that. It is kind of common sense to lace your shoes. I mean, it's not common sense, but it is pretty easy to lace your shoes. Like I said, doing this part is the simplest part of the video. This is the part where you get to the first lace style. You guys want to do the same thing you did as if you were lacing your shoes normally. You want to go ahead and bring this lace right here and bring it all the way up to the top. Just like that. Same with the other lace. After you did that, you guys want to pull up your tongue right around there and then spread your shoes out a little bit like that or whatever. So make sure you got some room or whatever. Then you got shoes should like this. Don't worry, the shoe is not going to look like this, because I know ain't nobody in the world that wear their Jordans like this that I know of. Now what you guys want to do is go ahead and make a knot on your shoe. Grab the end of your lace right here and just make a little knot or whatever. Make sure your shoe looks just like that. Pull up your tongue or whatever. Now that you guys did that, your shoe should look like this. This is the first step on how to lace your Jordan 11s. First style on how to lace your Jordan 11s. I know the laces kind of do look sloppy right now, but once it gets on your feet, the laces will adjust. Basically, I already showed you guys how to lace your shoe all the way up to the top. So with this shoe, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do the lace style or whatever. This part is simple. You just basically want to take your shoelace right here, and basically you just want to tuck it into your shoe. For this part right here, it might be easier for you guys to go ahead and put on your shoe and do this part, because it is kind of difficult to tuck in the lace. Basically, your lace should end up looking like this. Make sure you guys can't shit a lace or whatever. Same thing for the other side. You guys just want to tuck in the lace into your side of the shoe. And then after you guys did that, you want to make sure you pull up the tongue over the laces, and you guys shoe should look like this or whatever. Like I said, it's easier if you guys put your shoe on and do this part, because it is kind of gonna feel funny if you put on your shoe after you get done doing this. Alright y'all, for the last step, this part is kind of complicated. That's why I saved it for the last part. So basically, let's make sure you got your shoes all the way up to right here. You want to make sure your shoe is even around right there. And what you guys want to do is take your 2 fingers like this and then slide them down. Loop the laces around your finger. If you're new to this might take a couple of times to do it, because it is complicated the first time you do it. Make sure you're holding the hole just like that. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. And basically just put the laces in between the hole, and after that you just want to pull up gently, because you don't want your shoe to be tight in a knot or whatever. Basically, you guys shoes should look like this or whatever. It's 2 ways you guys can rock this style right here. You can lace it all the way up to the top like I did right here, or you can stop at the second to last lace right here. But it is gonna be kind of long, so that's why I didn't do it like that. I usually don't wear my Jordan 11s like this or whatever, but in this video I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Now I'm going to show you guys what these styles look like on feet. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the on-foot shoe review. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are asking me which style I like the best, I would say either style 2 or 3 is the best choice I like. Style 1 is alright or whatever, but too many people wear style 1. I pretty much like style 2 or 3 the best. Sometimes I switch it up every now and then. At the end of the day, it's up to you guys. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video a lot. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and like the video if this helped you guys out. But yeah, until then, it's your boy King CeeLo signing out.